Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is day 4 of 5 and today's theme is Mr. and Mrs. Claus. So this is another first for me, I know. Lots of first things that I've noticed, lots of first themes and first tries of different stuff, and I also try something new in this one as well. So these are the products I'm going to be using today. So it's pretty self-explanatory what I'm going to do. If I do need to come back, I will. If not, I will see you at the end and we'll have a look and see what we created. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so this is the finished design here. I still think it's missing something. I'm not sure what. I don't know. Try to do like gem placement. I don't know whether this should be like the present should be glossy or not. I don't know. The flocking powder went okay. I mean, I messed it up a little bit, but as I said, this is the first time I've used it, so I'm completely unsure exactly what I'm meant to be doing. This turned out okay. Mrs. Claus. I just really wanted to try it. I was kind of like sorting my nail room out and I stumbled across the flocking powder and I was like, oh, yes, 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 I want to use it for this design. So let me know your thoughts down below. Yeah, let me know. Let me know any thoughts you have. And yeah, as I said in the beginning, please head over and check out the other ladies' videos. There will be a playlist link, as with all of the collabs, down in the description box. And if you're not subscribed to them, please consider subscribing. And yeah, we hope you're enjoying our videos so far. And yep, hopefully you will join us tomorrow. Okay, thank you everybody so much for watching, and yeah, I will hopefully see you all tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye.